Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to create emoji combos on your Android phone using the built-in tools and fun emoji features. This is perfect for sending unique emoji combinations in your chats. This step-by-step guide will walk you through. Step 1. Open Google search bar. Step 2. Use emoji combine to mix emojis. Step 3. Send or share your custom emoji combo. Let us jump right in. Step number 1. Open Google search bar. Tap the search box and type combine emojis. Click Get Cooking and wait for it to load. Step number 2. Use emoji combine to mix emojis. Tap the emoji icon on and experiment. Choose the first emoji you want to start with. Now tap a second emoji. Scroll through the mashups and pick the one you like. Here, you can be creative and try different pairs to see fun and unique mashups. Step number 3. Send or share your custom emoji combo. Tap share icon to share your new emoji creation with friends or family. Once you select your combo, it appears in the message box. For wider use, you can copy the combo and paste it into other apps and posts. And that is all. Now your message pops with a fun custom emoji. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown use publicly available Android features and keyboard tools. Results may vary depending on your device model, keyboard version, or messaging app. Always proceed carefully and make choices at your own discretion. And that's it. Now you know how to create emoji combos on Android using Gboard's Emoji Kitchen.